The storm, screen, and security door market is thriving. In fact, one of the three is installed on a home in the U.S. every 30 seconds, as the category enjoys continued substantial annual growth within the $34 billion residential fenestration market. The only way to meet this demand has been through aftermarket products, ultimately making the proposition more expensive and, particularly in today's labor environment, even more challenging for the consumer, while leaving you no way to tap into this revenue stream. That is, until now. Thanks to a series of innovations from Advanced Screen Systems, now you can offer your customers a pre-hung storm, pet-resistant, or security screen door with OEM fit and finish as an add-on sale to their entry door purchase. The patent-pending entry door upgrade system mounts between the door jambs and comes pre-hung as a single unit from the door shop. Slip hinges make for quick removal of the storm or screen panel at the job site, allowing you to follow your current entry door installation procedure. Once the pre-hung entry door unit is installed, level, and plumb, just drive the mounting screws provided through the frame and jam. Replace the storm or screen panel. Make minor adjustments as needed. Then proceed to final trim, prep, and paint. The pet-resistant and security screen door feature the patent-protected MeshTech Advanced Screen System. A high-tensile strength, woven stainless steel mesh, MeshTech delivers unparalleled performance, resisting common forced entry methods while preserving a full view, maximizing airflow, providing an insect barrier, cutting UV transfer, and standing up to household pets of all sizes. The MeshTech screen system pairs with a vault-style 3-point lock to create the ultimate security screen door, passing stringent international standards for impact, shear, and pry resistance. Paired with a single-point lock, the high-tensile strength, woven stainless steel screen provides a durable, pet-resistant screen door that stands up to paws and claws like nothing else available on the market today, providing an entry to the $96 billion pet product marketplace. The storm door features a full-view, interchangeable tempered glass and insect screen panel, maximizing consumer benefits year-round and providing access to the largest existing aftermarket opportunity of all. The safety, security, and year-round functionality of the family home is a significant driver in consumer purchase decisions today. So too is the desire to enjoy a host of benefits, from pet resistance to seasonal cross-ventilation, energy savings, insect control, and weather protection. Now, with the patent-pending entry door upgrade system and 3 high-performance options to choose from, you can take advantage of the opportunity this creates, delivering incremental revenue, increased margin, and incredible performance.